Well, it's been a while since I've reviewed one of these. This is the Unquiet Hands Solid Revolver Knuckle Roller in Ultem, one of my current favorite materials. First off, if you're not familiar with a knuckle roller, I've reviewed this sort of skill toy before from Unquiet Hands and other companies like Around Square. But it's a small dumbbell or hourglass shaped object that comes in various materials that you simply roll and manipulate with your fingers for fun and to pass the time. So when Tom over at Unquiet Hands asked me if I wanted to review this Ultem knuckle roller, there was no question about it. So I myself have even made Paracord versions of this sort of toy, but today we're looking at this really cool piece. The first thing you'll notice is this deep amber color. Now I wish you could see this in person, as I'm sure the camera isn't doing it justice, but it's made from a thermoplastic called Ultem that's used in the aerospace industry. And as you can see with the collection in front of me, Ultem has fast become a sought after and desired material in the EDC world. This could be possibly due to its high strength, but really it's due to its beautiful color. It's a plastic, as I mentioned, so as you can see, it can be used to make and manufacture many different types of things, like beads, knife scales, pens, and even as a handle material for this balisong trainer. The color of Ultem can vary slightly from a lighter yellow to a deeper and richer amber color. I do prefer the deeper color myself, and this particular example has a really beautiful high polish on it, which makes it super transparent. And I actually find myself just staring at it and admiring this thing because it's just so cool to look at. Oh, and by the way, a lot of people say it's the color of pee, or they call it pee plastic. Okay, if your pee is this color, you need to hydrate. So let's not call it that, okay? Anyhow, if you're also into photography or posting pictures of your stuff on Instagram, this knuckle roller makes for some really great photos as well. Now in terms of play and manipulating this roller, it's got more of an hourglass shape as the ends are slightly elongated. And also a little detail here, the Unquiet Hands branding done very subtly here, which I also appreciate. It's very easy to roll due to its light weight being made of Ultem, and you won't experience any finger or hand fatigue while playing with this roller. Now that being said, there are some tricks out there that require weight and momentum, so you might struggle with that style of play a bit using a lighter weight roller like this one. Now I have not dropped this guy yet because I've been pretty careful with it, as I don't want to scratch the nice transparent polished finish. But I'm sure the roller would hold up to small drops, but it being so smooth, you probably will get minor scuffs if you drop it on hard surfaces like concrete. And of course, I'm not really going to test that for obvious reasons. Oh, and to those of you that care about the unboxing experience, the packaging it came in was very well put together, as always from Unquiet Hands. A nice foam padded box along with a certificate of authenticity, a microfiber cloth, and a branded felt slipcase that you can carry your Revolver knuckle roller in so that it doesn't get any scratches in case you're storing it next to something. Now if I were to compare this to something that's already out there, Around Square has the acrylic version of their renowned knuckle bone, and the feel of this Ultem revolver is quite similar to that. However, the shape does lend itself to some slightly different nuances when playing, as the ends are more like an actual hourglass and not kind of bulbous like the dumbbell shape. The Ultem feels slightly heavier than the acrylic as well, however the actual difference really is only a couple of grams. Now overall, I think this Ultem revolver is a solid option, and if you're a fan of Ultem, I would say you're really going to like this. The solid body revolver does come in other materials from Unquiet Hands, like polished stainless steel, which is about $20 cheaper than this Ultem version. If you're feeling really wild, there is a zircotite version, which is an alloy of zirconium and titanium that looks absolutely gorgeous. The price, however, does reflect the exotic nature of the material, of course. And as I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to buy something like this, you can always make one out of Paracord. I've got several tutorials for Paracord knuckle rollers that I'll have linked in this video. So there it is, the Unquiet Hands revolver in Ultem. Really unique and fun piece to play with and just plain admire. So if you want to get one, I'll have all relevant links down below.